Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 20 from chapter 29 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find the energy in joules and electron volts of a photon in a radio wave from an AM station that has a known broadcast frequency. Let's start with the list of what we know. Okay, we know the frequency is 1530 kilohertz. And we need to find the energy both in joules and electron volts. Okay, the energy of a photon is H times F. Okay. H is Planck's constant. That is 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 joule seconds. And we're multiplying that by 1530. That's kilo. We want hertz here because we have joules times seconds in Planck's constant. So we can replace the K with a times 10 cubed. Now we have hertz, and hertz times seconds will cancel because hertz is 1 over seconds. So we find the energy is 1.01 times 10 to the minus 27 joules. There's one answer. We will start with that. 1.01 times 10 to the minus 27 joules. And now we will convert it to electron volts. 1 electron volt is 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. This gives us 6.34 times 10 to the minus 9 electron volts. And that was what we needed to find. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.